Good Friday evening to you. Richard Scott here with the forecast update. We got certainly some cold weather that is already moving in today, and we'll notice that through the upcoming weekend. Not much change happening in that forecast. Here's a look at radar. Things are mostly quiet, although a couple of showers still ongoing. South of Interstate 20, you see south of Tuscaloosa, down towards Clanton. This recording, by the way, about 4:25 on this Friday afternoon. Many areas will be dry by the time you watch this. Watch warning map, the counties in dark blue. That is a freeze warning for tonight. We also have a freeze watch in effect for Pickens, Tuscaloosa, Jefferson, and Shelby. But again, in that zone, there could be sub-freezing temperatures tonight and tomorrow night across Alabama. Here we go for the highs earlier today before the cold front made it through. This was highs this morning. Top we got near 60 in Tuscaloosa, low 60s in Birmingham, Gadsden, Anderson, low 70s in Montgomery and Auburn. Current temperatures again as about 4:30 on this Friday. We've got 40s on the board for Birmingham, Jasper, Coleman, and Haleyville. Still 50s to the south. Auburn still holding on to 61, but it is about to get colder there as well. Here's your forecast for tonight. Widespread 40s through 7 and 10. By the time we approach midnight, some of us back in the upper 30s with a slow, clearing sky. Very cold air to our north, some teens and 20s over the central and northern plains and the Great Lakes region. That air is moving south, and again, that will affect us in a big way. Good bit of rain across Alabama today. Several waves of rain, some thunder involved with that as well, but again, that is beginning to move out. Here we go for the rainfall total so far today, about a quarter inch in Tuscaloosa. We do note Columbus, a little over half inch there, and Coleman, over 3/4 of an inch today. Some spots getting good rain, other spots not as much. Here we go in our forecast model into tonight. All dry, slow clearing sky. Tomorrow, plenty of sunshine. I do expect temperatures only in the 40s to near 50 for highs. In fact, according to this model, we could stay in the 40s all day on Saturday. Now, Sunday morning, we're going to have a widespread freeze and frost, especially for the northern half of the state. A widespread frost all the way as far south as Highway 80 again on Sunday. Now, clouds move in on Sunday. Rain moves in on Monday. All right, here we go for Sunday morning. I do expect a widespread frost across central Alabama. A freeze generally north of Interstate 20 or just near that I-20 corridor. Areas north of that should get just below freezing. And then another surge coming in next week, even colder temperatures, widespread 20s for Wednesday morning of next week. All right, football at Bryant-Denny Stadium Saturday, that is tomorrow. I do expect temperatures at 11 o'clock in the mid-40s. 2:30 kickoff, only about 50 with a mostly sunny sky. Then by 6, we're back in the lower 40s. Going to be a cold game for the Bama Mississippi State Bulldog game at Bryant-Denny. Rain chance, again, not much happening over the next 24 hours or so, but changes are coming up by the time we go into next week. Monday, rain will move back in. 35 tonight, becoming clear, cooler, very chilly out there with the north wind around 10. Tomorrow we top out near 50. Now, if you're north of Interstate 20, you could stay in the 40s all day despite that sunshine. We're back in the mid-50s on Veterans Day for Sunday. I do expect mostly cloudy skies. Some rain comes in Sunday night. Heavy rain at times on Monday. Into Monday night, much colder. Highs struggle to reach 50 on Monday. We're in the mid-40s all day on Tuesday, and then there's that freeze Tuesday night and Wednesday night with temperatures back in the 20s. Highs will be in the 50s on Wednesday and Thursday.